catastrophic 7.8 magnitude earthquake has killed up to 5,000 people in Turkey and neighbouring country Syria. The earthquake struck Turkey and Syria on Monday morning, levelling buildings and causing tremors felt as far away as Greenland. It was quickly followed by a powerful 7.6 quake and dozens of aftershocks that wiped out entire sections of major Turkish cities. The quake hit Turkey in a region filled with millions who had fled the civil war in Syria. Thousands of buildings have been damaged and infrastructure has been destroyed. Communication is currently limited in the area. There is a huge concern that there are people trapped under the rubble and weather conditions are expected to dip below freezing, with many left shelterless. The quake is believed to be the strongest to hit Turkey since 1939, when an earthquake of the same magnitude killed 30,000 people. Britain and countries in Europe have urgently sent in rescue teams to help.